Hi everyone, this is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today I'm going to be using all the beard products together and I'm going to show you which order to use them in. Today I'm using all the beard products, that's beard oil, beard balm, beard butter and moustache wax. Ideally, you're probably not going to use them all together, but I'm going to show you what's going to happen if you do. So first up is beard oil. So we're going to grab our beard oil. I have nothing on my beard, I'm just after washing my beard with the beard soap. So let's go with the beard oil. You've seen me do this a million times. Get your droppers onto the palm of your hand. With the other hand then, you're going to stick it into the oil and rub it into the skin, working from ears to chin. Like I said, you've seen me do this a million times, focusing on the skin rather than the hair for now. Go from ears to chin, then go the other way. That's it. Really get in there. Underneath the chin, I'll need a little bit more. I know you've seen me do this multiple times, but we're going to quickly go through each, see how the beard feels after the oil goes in, after the butter goes in, and then see if we can use all the products together. Alright, don't forget about the moustache. And the idea with beard care is to give yourself a little bit of time in the mornings or in the evening when you are doing this, and try not to rush it if you can. Okay, so that's all in the skin. Now whatever's left on the hands, rub them together and get it onto that hair. It'll give it a little bit of a shine, a healthy glow as I like to call it. And you'll be making sure you use every last drop of that beard oil. Whatever's left in my hands then I put on my head, or you can rub it into your hands or on your arms as well with that. So after the beard oil, we're going to brush it out. So you brush from ears to chin and just out at a little bit of an angle from the mouth, what I always do. Beard brush is great for exfoliating, cleaning the beard as well, and spreading that beard oil around also. So that is the first step. Beard oil is in. That's the most important step for the skin, in my opinion. Really moisturizes that skin and keeps you from getting dry skin on your t-shirts or on your shirts, and just gets it feeling good as well, especially if you come out of the shower after washing your face. Next up, I'm going to go for beard butter. Beard butter is almost like a mix between oil and the balm. There's shea butter in it, coconut oil, so this one is unscented. So we're going to dip our finger in here. It's nice and soft, it's not like the balm. So dip your finger, rub it together. And now with beard butter, we're going for the hair rather than the skin, mostly the hair. And beard butter is probably more for a longer beard than a short one, but it's fantastic for softening that hair. So really just rub it in there again. A little bit goes a very, very long way with the butter. So this is product number two. Product number two into the beard. So that's the beard butter. As you can see, just a small bit needed each time with the beard butter. Again, we're going to brush it through. So grab that brush, same as the oil. And if you can see, I can see already there's a little bit of a healthier glow from my beard hair after putting two products in. So that's what you want. You want your beard to look its best. You want your skin and face to feel its best from using these products. And that's it, looking good. Put a little bit on your moustache if you want as well. Twirl it up, get it ready for that moustache wax for later. So we've got the beard oil in, we've got the beard butter in. Next is the beard balm. So you've beard butter on your hands. Again, get rid of it as best you can on your head, on your arms, because it's all good stuff. There's great oils and butters in there, so use it as best you can. Okay, wow, we're flying through it. We're on to the beard balm is next, so open up that beard balm. Now, ideally, when you're going through the phase of beard oil, beard butter, beard balm, you're going to wait maybe 10 minutes between each. So, for example, the beard oil absorbs first before you put on the beard butter to soften. Let the beard butter soften in, or get into that hair for a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes before you go for the balm. As well, you can go beard oil, straight onto beard balm. Forget about the beard butter, it's up to yourself. But for this video, I just want to show you that you can use all the products together. You don't really need to, but you can, and we'll see how my beard feels and looks at the end of it. So beard balm is product number 3. Scrape the back of your nail, get in there. Now from here, back of nail onto the palm of your hand, rub together to melt the product. Argan oil beeswax in this. So this is kind of to get rid of all the wispy hairs. If you have a longer beard or even a beard of my size, hairs start to sprout out. So you're gonna go from ears to chin and just get in there. So I'm using some cedarwood and Siberian fir balm. You're getting that scent on that beard. I'm gonna go a little bit more just to get maximum out of it. Rub, 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 rub. Again, ears to chin, flattening out those hairs. And you're getting everywhere. Lovely. Beard is feeling very good. Beard is feeling very good. 3 products in. Not feeling heavy or anything like that. Keep brushing. If you have a longer beard, instead of brushing, you would be using your beard comb, but you can check out other videos I've done on that. So that is product number 3. Looking pretty good, looking nice and straight. And now we're on to product number 4, which is the icing on the cake. It's the Mustache Wax. So again, get rid of whatever you have on your hands. There's so much on my hands now, I can't really get rid of it, but that's okay for this video. We're driving on for the last product, Mustache Wax. We're gonna try to tweak that mustache. Now, in an ideal situation, you just have a little bit of beard oil underneath your mustache. You would have waited for 20 or 30 minutes before you put on the Mustache Wax. So I'm interested to see, will this Mustache Wax get in there and hold that mustache with all the other products straight on there at the moment. So let's try it. So scrape out the Mustache Wax, get a little bit onto your nail. You're gonna transfer that onto your index finger. From there, half it out and then rub it together. Now, because of all the other oils in my hands, it's actually helping a little bit that it is melting, which is good. Now let's try to get in there. So onto the, oh yeah, it is surprisingly, it's actually going on. I thought it'd be slipping and sliding off because of the other product being on there, but it's not, it's going on. So I put some on the body of the mustache there. Again, now I'm going for the ends. So half it out, rub between your fingers, and let's go twisting. So clicking your fingers at the end, clicking your fingers. So this is a surprise to me. I didn't think it would be feeling as good and looking as good after so much product in there. So I'm not going to forget to use my brush. So I'm going to brush the main body of the moustache out because I know I can have a bit of a clump here. So I'm going to brush that out, get rid of that. Okay, great. And now twist one more time. Okay, so last thing, I'm going to get one last tiny bit just for the ends, and I'm going to really twist up those ends of that moustache. And we should be good with all 4 products in our beard, and to be honest, it's feeling way better than I thought it was going to feel. Mustache wax is a little bit difficult to maneuver with all the other oils on my fingers, but we're getting there. And let's twist, got a bit there on the beard, get rid of that, and now twist. Okay, not bad. Okay, one last little brush of the whole beard to finish, and the moustache. And there you have it, in under 10 minutes, I think. We've, after putting in all the 4 products, it doesn't look too bad. Ideally, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't put so much product in and then try to do my moustache, because I can feel that it's good, but I'm thinking that maybe after an hour or 2 it's going to flatten out a little bit, because it doesn't actually have that huge bit of hole that you would get just from putting in maybe a little bit of beard oil and then waiting 20 minutes and then putting on your moustache wax. But overall, beard is feeling great with the beard oil, beard butter, beard balm and moustache wax in it. So it can be done. That's the order you'd go in depending on your length of your beard. If you've got a short beard like me, I would personally go beard oil, then followed straight for beard balm. If you have a longer beard about here, I would go beard oil and beard butter, and then depending if you want your moustache or not, you would go the moustache wax. So it can be done. I'm delighted to show you the order they go in as well. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.